Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Past perfect continuous tense with timeline. Past perfect continuous tense. Timeline. The past perfect continuous tense focuses on the duration of an action that was ongoing before another past action. How long something was happening before another past event. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. The engineers had been working on the engines for hours when the ship started to break apart. The ship had been sailing for several days when it finally hit the iceberg. People had been sleeping soundly for a while when the loud crash woke them up. Rose had been feeling unhappy with her life for a long time before she met Jack. The lookouts had been watching for icebergs all night when they finally saw one right ahead. Like, comment and subscribe.